मेरे एक दो eyelashes गिर जाते थे. Now I just feel like what am I even doing? We have to power through this. This is something that I bought from Blinkit ऐसे ही बिना काम के लिए एक दिन, क्योंकि मेरे को बोर हो गया था. Look at this, it's so pretty. Anything that has glitter, sign me up, I will buy it. That was my recommendation, guys. Let's move on to the next step. Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi and I'm so glad you're watching this video. Aaj we are doing a quick get ready with me. Why are we doing this? Well, for no reason. I have nothing to get ready for, okay? It is a Sunday evening, मैं कहीं जाने नहीं वाली हूँ बाहर. I'm just gonna be at home. But I thought, why not? Why not just make a video? Especially since I haven't really posted. So I think this will be a nice way for us to reconnect besties. So let's go. Also, I'm going to change this camera angle because मैं literally पागल लग रही हूँ खुद से बातें करते करते मिरर में. So let's just switch up the camera angle. So सबसे पहले, right, we are gonna go in with this. It's a tinted serum and आजकल, right, I just don't like applying concealer. Also because my skin is getting really dry. So no matter what I put, it just pills. And then I just look crazy. So I want something like really lightweight, like a skin tint. और मुझे skin tint के option में ये अच्छा लगा use करना. So
also, 2026 has started and I just feel like, oh my god, I don't know. Usually when years start, you have so much energy in you. You want to do so many things. Just feel like I don't have the energy. Like I don't know what is happening, guys. But yeah, let me know if any of you feel the same.
also भाई क्या किया है मैंने ये? I haven't used this serum बहुत ज़्यादा. This is literally the third time I'm using it. So forgive me if my technique is थोड़ा I don't know how to use this yet. But I think rubbing it in my skin is okay for now. I don't know if this is doing anything. Is it doing anything, guys? Is my skin giving skin? That's our base. That's it. Now I just feel like, what am I even doing? I look like shit, guys. But it's okay. It's okay. We have to power through this. You know what? We'll go with the lips abhi. Just like a tint on the lips. So this has been one of my favorite. Wow. ज़्यादा लग गया शायद. But yeah, this has been one of my favorite purchases of 2025. Honestly, like the best thing I've bought is this ELF का tint. And I'm so proud of myself because haha, मैंने ये ढूंढ के निकाला है product. It's not उतना talked about, but yeah. So as you can see, this is like a really pretty tint. So usually, right, the tints that I've tried before, they have this really red color, like बहुत ज़्यादा. ये भी red ही है, but this is more of a plum color. They also have other shades. They have a red one and a pinkier one and a plum one, which is this. And they have this cherry cola thing that people really like, but it has a more orange shade to it, which if you're into that, you'll really like, but I don't like that. I like tints which are pinkier. So yeah. That was my recommendation, guys. Let's move on to the next step. So for eyelashes, right, I just curl them now because I got into the habit of putting a lot of mascara, and then when I would take the mascara off, मेरे एक दो eyelashes गिर जाते थे. फिर मुझे एक दो महीने बाद realize हुआ कि ऐसे अगर मैं करती रही तो मेरे eyelashes ही बाकी नहीं रह गए. Okay, so I've stopped putting mascara on for every छोटा सा thing. I now just curl them up. Now let's go in with I don't know if I want to put concealer on today because, like I said, I'm not going anywhere. This is just like a fun video for you and me. So I think I might skip that.
So now, like I was saying, I have bought that tinted serum very recently. Before that, I was using a tinted sunscreen. And the reason behind that is because, I don't know, like I said, मेरा जो skin है ना,
What's going on? What's happening?
yeah.
So I've put on some concealer. I don't think it's making any difference. Honestly, this lighting is too, I don't know. It's just not giving, guys. But yeah. So like I was saying, I have bought that tinted serum very recently. Iske pehle I've been using a tinted sunscreen. This one by Foxtail. So in the mornings when I'm getting ready to go to office, right, this is all I'm putting along with this water tint wala blush. Also, since we're talking about concealers, look at this shade. Look at this Mars का concealer I bought, thinking कि हाँ ये shade तो मुझ पे हो जाएगा, but भाई it is ghostly white. Like honestly, let me show you. kahan laga ho? Wait, let me just put some here. It's not my shade. I don't know what I was thinking. So see, look at that. Or maybe it is my shade. I don't know. I just go back and forth. I just feel like it is too bright and too white. But now it's kind of giving. So I don't know, guys. I feel like I could use this as like an under eye whitening concealer sort of thing. Like under eye brightening. My bad, not whitening. Brightening. Also, I know I've already put on some blush, but I'll put some more on. And this is one thing that I've been loving recently. And recently क्या इसको 3-4 महीने हो गए मेरे को purchase किए. So I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that light pink सा shimmery thing? So this is like a highlighter plus blush situation. It's from Tipsy Beauty. This is also something that I alternate between this or a normal blush. So yeah, it gives a really nice shine. I know this lighting is really shitty. I don't know what to do about it. Is it shitty? So now let's quickly do the eyes. This is something that I bought from Blinkit ऐसे ही बिना काम के लिए एक दिन क्योंकि मेरे को बोर हो गया था. So I was convinced कि buying this would change my life. Has it changed my life? No, it hasn't. But I really like this. Oh my god, guys, दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Can you see that? Please tell me you can see that, okay? It is so pretty in real life. It is this color changing holographic eyeliner thing that I found online. And I was like, I need to have this. I need to have this because I am going through a glitter phase. Anything that has glitter, sign me up. I will buy it. Okay. I also found this really pretty chunky eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow that gives these beautiful highlighting thing. Like, look at it. Look at this. It's so pretty. See, obviously I can't go like this bahar every single day because people be like, ये क्या है? ये कौन चमकीली आ गई है? But for days when you want that extra, I think this is like really pretty. इस साइड का तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा है क्योंकि हाँ देखो दिख रहा है. The light has to fall on it. But so pretty. Oh my god. So these are some products that I really like because they just add a little bit of whimsy to my makeup. But yeah. Also, अब और क्या कर सकते हैं? Let me think. Okay, yeah. Let's also do this glitter lip gloss because if we're doing everything glitter, why not? Guys, this is not how I intended the video to be, okay? This was not supposed to be a glitter fest. It was supposed to be a quick get ready with me. But look at this. Can you see that? This is also holographic, by the way. It changes light and it has these tiny blue and purple shimmer particles in it, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I think 5 minutes ho chuke hain. And this is what we're looking like. We look like a glitter bomb. Looks like a fairy just threw up glitter all over my face, which I love. The only thing is, I have nowhere to go. Like, I honestly have nowhere to be right now. So, मैं घर में ऐसे ही घूमूंगी. Also, yeah. So, this is the makeup look. Let me know what you guys think. I might just do a normal office look for every day. This just turned into something very, very different. जो मैंने भी plan नहीं किया था. I also hope you guys have had a great start to 2026. And yeah. Thank you for watching this chotu sa kind of brain rot video with me. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you made it so far, congratulations. We're besties now. You need to go and subscribe pehle to, and don't forget to like the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!